lot of things about Chennai, but I feel firstly to start off it's the people, because the city is what it is because of the people. So I always felt it was a very special place. The people were very special. It's my second home, of course. I've played a lot of cricket here. My test debut was here, and also, when you talk about biryani, I felt Chennai biryani was special in its own way.
Can I ask you, where did you enjoy your biryani? Which biryani?
My friend used to get it for me, and it was slightly spicy, and at the same time it was very nice. So, people talk about Hyderabad biryani, Kolkata biryani, but I feel the biryani from here is also special in its own way. The South Indian cuisine, that's also great. The filter coffee, of course, okay, it's a place that's very hot and humid, but still they make very good leather goods over here. I don't know if many people know about it, but the leather jackets that are made here and are exported are actually very nice. So I also love that.
So it's a very skillful place, and that's why we respect so much of skill in one person.
It's just the people, they're outstanding.
Oh, thank you, sir. It means so much to us. So before I say my final thanks to you, I have one question. I don't know whether it is true or rumor, but I kind of heard it. You're like our emotion, but there's one more lifeline for us, and that is superstar. I heard you're going to meet him, or you might meet him. Can you spill something for us?
That's the plan for the evening. I've played here and I've spent a lot of time here, but I was very shy to ask anybody to say, I actually want to meet the superstar myself. But today I actually have the opportunity to meet him in person, so it will be a very special evening for me.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Okay. So, Dhoniji, thank you so much for your time. So, it is one of the best days in my life. I'll tell you why. Somebody who's born in Ranchi, who's done some other work in his earlier days, then who took up a game which became his life. From somewhere there in the northern part of India, you come to Chennai, you unite every single person here, you give us an emotional value. All this is not just because of the skill of the game, sir. More than that, I think it is the person in you. Somewhere it's always very visible, and if one Dhoni can bring Ranchi and Chennai together like blood brothers, I think we need more of Dhonis in this country. Not for his skill, but for his heart.
Thanks a lot.
So with this note, my name is Didi, and it was an absolute pleasure to host you, Mr. Dhoniji. So, it's an absolute honor for me to host you, Mr. Dhoniji, Mr. Sushant Singh Rajputi. Thank you very, very much. And
you can call me Dhoni too.
Okay, Dhoni. Kutti Dhoni? That is small Dhoni? Is that okay? Okay, Kutti Dhoni. And thank you so much, Arunji. Thank you very much. And before I say bye to you, sir, before I send you off to your seat, there's one thing that superstar thing is very in now. Do you have any idea what is that, or should I?
I know, but I have a old favorite from him. So, it's by the great man. So if I commit some mistake by not doing it properly, I'm very sorry. But I'll give it my best. I think I'll have to stand up for that. So before the dialogue, he has a famous move that he does, something like. So here's the dialogue. I may make a few mistakes, but here it is. Ennavadi, Tanevadi. Thank you.
Dhoni ji, I don't know whether you know the meaning, but it's so apt for you as a person also. Thank you so much for that. So we have one more performance of yours. Before that, I'm going to... Thank you, sir. Dhoni, Dhoni, Dhoni. இருங்க, இன்னும் ப்ரோக்ராம் முடியல. அவர் நம்ம கூட உட்கார போறாரு. இன்னொரு நிகழ்ச்சியை பார்க்க போறாரு. சோ எல்லாரும் ப்ளீஸ் அமைதியா இருங்க. எல்லாரும் ப்ளீஸ் அமைதியா இருங்க. I'm sure நீங்க எல்லாம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த